here at Rafa's Garage working on the Vibe. So we have a misfire code in cylinder 2. Same thing for the other code. Pending. So let's check it out. Let's take off this cover. Just have this screw down here. So there we go. You uncover the coil packs. I know it's not the coil packs because I already swapped this one with first. So not the coil packs. I gotta check the spark plugs, and I'm gonna swap this injector over here also. Maybe check compression on it and see what's going on. So there it is. Spark plug number 2 looks a little worn out, so might as well just replace all of them. Pretty sure all of them are gonna be like this. Swap those injectors and do a compression test since I'm already here doing almost half a job already. So let's get to it. Take off all the coils, spark plugs, swap those injectors, and unplug all of them to do a compression test. Let's check out how healthy this motor is. So spark plugs are out. It's weird that this one is different from all the other 3. The one on cylinder 2 was the worst one. So yeah, I'm gonna replace them. Now I'm gonna do a compression test. I already unplugged the injectors, so let's get my compression tester and see how good or bad this motor is. So that's cylinder 1, about like 190, 200, not bad. Let's look at cylinder 2. That's the one that worries me. Yep, like I said, number 2 is really low, so that's probably why I'm having a misfire. That means I'll probably have to replace this motor. God damn it. But let's check the other 2. Where are you here? Let's see where they're at. This one was what, like at 120, 110. Yeah, about 100, 110. So let's see cylinder. Slow. 150, 160. God damn, this motor sucks. And that's the last one, 180. I think number 3 is probably at 180. It's just that I couldn't see it, so I stopped it a little early. But we do have low compression on the other one, on cylinder 2. So we're gonna replace this motor later on. Right now I'm just gonna put new spark plugs because that's what it needs, so it will run a little bit better than what it is. But yeah, or not really. I'll probably put them on a new motor. So let's put everything together. Later on we're gonna take this motor out and put a healthy motor on it. She is been put back together. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we out.